friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix 5G not working on iPhone. Whether it's the higher data speeds, enhanced stability, or ultra low latency, 5G has got all the bases covered. When at best, the latest version of mobile network leaves very little room for complaint. However, when the mobile network hits a rough patch, it feels rather frustrating. But fret not, that's the reason why I have jotted down the best tips and tricks to fix 5G issues on iPhone. That said, let's get started. One important thing that you should do without fail is to make sure that 5G is available in your city. It's going to take a while for carrier providers to roll out the latest iteration of cellular across cities. Therefore, keep this important thing in your mind. Also ensure that your carrier supports 5G. Yeah, you got that right. As 5G is still new, not many carrier providers have implemented it as yet. Interestingly, there is an option to turn on or off 5G on iPhone. Hence, make sure that it is enabled on your device. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now select Cellular. Then choose Cellular Data Options. After that, select Voice and Data, and then choose 5G or 5G Auto. For those unfamiliar, 5G On allows you to always use 5G subject to availability, while the 5G Auto smartly balances between the network speed and the battery life. Wondering what the LTE does here? Well, it lets you turn off 5G on your iPhone and switch back to 4G. Now let's understand 5G icons. When your iPhone is connected to 5G, you should see a 5G icon in the status bar. Currently, there are three notable 5G icons, and the first one is 5G Plus. If you see the 5G Plus icon in your iPhone status bar, that means your device is connected to either AT&T's high band or mid band spectrum. And then 5G UW. UW stands for ultra wideband, also referred to as 5G UWB. As for 5G UW, it's Verizon's version of high band, mmWave, aka millimeter wave, and mid band 5G. And then there is 5G UC. It's T-Mobile's version of 5G. The cellular network provider describes UC as ultra capacity. Next up, I would recommend you to disable the low power mode on your iPhone. The low power mode, aka the built-in power saving mode, automatically reduces the background activities such as downloads and mail fetch in order to extend the battery life of your iPhone. While it is well thought out, you should know that this power saving mode also turns off 5G except in some cases such as large downloads and video streaming. Then I would recommend you to give a try to the pretty handy airplane mode trick. Airplane mode is very handy when it comes to troubleshooting network-related problems. Therefore, it would be better to give it a shot as well. To do so, just swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. Then tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Now wait for some time and then turn off the airplane mode. After that, I would suggest you to hard reset your iPhone because it has long been highly effective in fixing common issues. To get it done, you have to press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, then you have to hold down the side button, aka the power button, until you see the Apple logo on the screen. From time to time, carrier providers roll out updates to troubleshoot issues and also boost performance. Hence, update the carrier settings as well. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then select General. After that, choose About. Now, if there is any carrier updates available, make sure to update it without fail. More often than not, you can count on Reset Network Settings to help you resolve network-related issues. Therefore, it would be worth giving a try as well. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then select General. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. After that, select Reset Network Settings. Then you have to enter your device passcode and confirm the action. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your iPhone because there is a high chance that a software bug might be behind the 5G issues on your device. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then select General. After that, choose Software Update, and finally download and install the latest iteration of iOS as usual, and that's pretty much it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix 5G issues on your iPhone. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem and 5G has started to work as expected. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.